j'espère que vous allez très bien. An easy lesson now to understand how to build the future tense in French. Well, first, we need actually the endings of the future tense. And for that, we are going to use the verb avoir, to have, but the present tense of this verb. Present tense of the verb avoir. And we are going to see why. The conjugation of this verb is this way. J'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Well, I have, you have, he has, etc., etc. This is the verb avoir present tense. Where are we going here to find our future endings? Well, we are just keeping here the blue part of the verb avoir. Just that one, we don't need now the other part, and this part is the future tense endings in French. So now we need our stem. So let's take a regular verb like the verb manger, to eat. The stem is just the infinitive form of the verb manger. That easy, manger. So we add the stem to our endings this way. Now we need, of course, the proper subject for each form, and we get the future tense of the verb manger in French, which is je mangerai, tu mangeras, il mangera, nous mangerons, vous mangerez, ils mangeront. So easy. So here we have the infinitive form, which is the stem of the verb, and the ending of the verb to have. That's all. Let's take another example now. Another regular verb, the verb parler, to talk. Well, the same rule. We use the infinitive form of the verb parler, which is of course parler, and the ending coming from the verb to have. And we've got here our future tense in French. Je parlerai, I will talk. Tu parleras, il parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront. Let's see now, just to have an example, an irregular verb. The irregular verb, actually, the endings is the same, so no problem with that. But the stem is different from the infinitive form. For example, if you want to use the verb voir, to see, well, in this case, we are not going to use voir as a stem. This one is irregular, and the form is that one. So we add now this stem, the same for all forms, and we've got now the future tense of the verb voir in French, which is je verrai, tu verras, il verra, nous verrons, vous verrez, ils verront. Okay? So the irregular form, of course, you need to learn the stem, but the ending is always the same. So let's summarize what we have just seen. To build the future tense in French, we need the infinitive form of the verb when this one is regular, of course, and the ending comes from the verb avoir, present tense. Okay? And that's all. That's the rule, and that's easy to understand how to build the future tense. Well, maintenant c'est fini. Merci encore une fois d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. S'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne et d'en parler à vos amis. Alors, à bientôt et bon français!